In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Okta developer account. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, getting your Okta developer account up and running will allow you to explore a wide range of identity management solutions. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Okta developer sign-up page. This is where you begin the journey of creating your developer account, which will give you access to Okta's robust platform features tailored specifically for developers like you. Once you're on the sign-up page, take a moment to review the page and note any specific instructions or terms that Okta provides, as this will help you understand what you're signing up for. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal details. Start with your first name. Make sure to enter your legal first name as it appears on official documents, as this will be linked to your account. Then, move to the next field and input your last name. Again, accuracy is essential here to ensure that your account details are consistent and professional. After that, you will need to enter your work email address. It's generally a good idea to use a professional email associated with your organization or company. This not only adds credibility, but also helps keep your work and personal emails separate, which is something many professionals prefer when managing multiple accounts. Once you've entered your email, select your country or region from the drop-down menu provided. This helps Okta tailor your experience to local regulations and provides better support specific to your location. Be sure to double-check all the information you've entered so far to avoid any errors that might delay your registration process. Now, there should be a button labeled Sign Up at the bottom of the form. When you click this button, your details are submitted to Okta, and the account creation process begins. You might be prompted to complete a verification step, such as checking your email for a confirmation link. If so, head over to your inbox, find the email from Okta, and click on the verification link. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and activates your account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Okta developer account. From here, you can start exploring the platform, experimenting with API integrations, or diving into Okta's documentation to harness the full potential of what this powerful tool can offer. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll dive deeper into what you can achieve with your new Okta developer account.